So Lawson is one of our polling agents at the Hiller Road tent, where ZEC is refusing to release the V11s. Our polling agents have been waiting. In fact, these polling stations closed at 9, so the count should have long been completed. But ZEC are saying that they won't release the V11s until they get instructions from above. Lawson, what's going on?
The situation prevailing at Hiller, at the combined Hiller polling station, it is that the presiding officers in the respective polling stations here, they are saying they are not going to release the V11s to the custody of the accredited CCC elections agents until they receive directives from their superiors, from ZEC, that they should give them the V11s.
Has the count finished?
Yes, we actually finished the count in the wee hours of the morning, around 3:30, 4 a.m. That is when we finish counting.
And the V11s have been signed for?
They have been signed by all parties involved. The ZANU-PF candidates, the CCC candidates, even the presiding officers actually endorsed.
Did ZEC say who they want an instruction from?
Yes, they say that we are waiting for an instruction from our superiors at ZEC.
Okay, thank you.